I'm Kristinn Guðmundsson. I'm now in Borgarfjörður Eystri. I thought because I'm here to cook for a trail running competition, Dyrfjallahlaupið, and I'm gonna make you a carb loading pizza. I think we should just fire up the oven. While we wait for the oven to warm up, we're gonna make the spread. Sweet potato, steamed, yeah, or baked. Pork, olive oil, salt, mash it together. Here we have Arctic thyme. It's like a bit more floral than the thyme that we know. A little bit of olive oil to infuse the flavor. There we have it. All right. I think the oven must be ready. Let's see. Chili, green chili. Dates, not so finely, just roughly chopped. Let me see. Yeah. Only problem of cooking outside like this is stretching the dough. It's a bit cold. I mean, people say pizza is not healthy and stuff like that, but you need a carb load for a 50-kilometer long run or something close to that. So pizza is healthy in this case. Cheese, pepperoni, dates. It's sweet, definitely. Sweet and salty. And chili. Look at this. Wonderful pizza. Okay, I think it's really hot in there now at the moment. Like, I have to be quick. Oh, I feel like the carbohydrates are energizing my muscles. I think I will be ready for this run all the way back to town. So we're at the festival site. People are eating the running pizza or the carb loading pizza at this festival. I just say good luck to the runners and see you later. And remember, more recipes at ooni.com.